Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. As you can see, I'm actually not me right now. I've created this avatar sort of thing in Character Animator. I'm just going to test it today and have fun with it. So this is who you will see in today's video. In today's video, we are going to make another random dessert, and this time we are making one from Donna Hayes' Modern Baking. So here's what Alexa chose for me. Alexa, give me a random number between 12 and 377.
Your random number between 12 and 377 is 161.
So this is an interesting recipe for me because I've never actually made anything with lavender before. So let's see how that turns out. So it's actually turned out pretty okay. Hint for anyone who tries this: do not overfill the madeleine forms because then they will float out and then drip to the bottom of your oven and burn, and that will not be nice. But it actually tasted pretty good, and it was an interesting flavor with the lavenders, but it wasn't too intrusive or too strong. So yeah, if you want to try different type of recipe, I can recommend this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!